The guide just told us that it's the worst day in 2 weeks.
You can't have good weather everywhere.
Guys, it's raining crazy. Ah! How are you doing, guys? We made it to the Whitsundays, last stop for our trip with our family. Yeah, we're already on the way to the bus. We're getting picked up. Right now it's raining, which is not so ideal. We've been yesterday here in the Whitsundays and weather was not that good as well. What time is it?
6, 7.
Flying out over the islands, out to the reef as well, okay? Flying over the water for almost all of our flight, so we're going to wear a life jacket for the duration.
Alrighty guys, we are at our next destination. Ate a flight, it was great, but the weather was killing it a little bit. But you can't have everything, and I think on Jasper's side we had a way better view, because on my side the sun was like always looking into the camera. And now it's time to go on the next stop, ocean rafting.
Who's excited? Woohoo! Ocean rafting! Woo! You guys are going to be snorkeling first, so with the suits, I just recommend putting them on now. Even halfway, you will be getting really wet out there. So even if you want to take off your dry clothes and put it on all the way.
Some little stinger suits and jellyfish suits.
Stormy day on the sea. Let's get it, eh?
Let's flip the boat.
Let's flip the boat.
Wipe out, guys. Alright, I won't lie, you will get a bit wet on the boat today, and it will be pretty bumpy. But I'll do my best to make it as smooth as possible for you guys. Alright, so. will be going swimming later on at the beach, alright? So, yeah, that's what I'm...
Yo guys, we just arrived on an island, left the boat, and I think it's one of the biggest islands from the Whitsundays, one of the most famous beaches, Whitehaven Beach. Yeah, but the weather is still shit. It's for sure not the Whitsunday experience you normally have. Yeah, it's alright, eh? The guide just told us that it's the worst day in 2 weeks. I think you all have seen the beautiful Whitsunday footage. We're not that lucky.
You can't have good weather everywhere. You know?
Yeah. Guys, it's raining crazy. Ah! Fucking Whitsunday Island, Whitehaven Beach. Look at the weather, beautiful sunny day. Yeah. Got some food from the boat. I mean, the weather is pretty bad, so it's not that great, but it's so fucking touristic here. We're gonna go back soon, and then we're gonna take a hot shower. That's, I think, the best part of the fucking day. That's some different level. Anouk, what are you doing?
Reading.
She got the Kindle on the boat.
You need to focus on your priorities, you know,
Yeah.
and that's mine.
We are on the go. Got the GoPro, Insta360. Crazy, there are so many, how do you call them, jellyfish in the water right now. So you always need like a suit. And I don't think we're getting one today. So if we're falling into the water, we're dead.
I will drive with him, and I hope I don't die.
Jasper's driving with Marla. And I'm driving with Anouk, who's always late. Hi, how you doing?
Oh,
Headlines. Very good. So there is a red button in front of you. Don't press that one just yet. But if you hold it down for 3 seconds, that is going to turn on your jet ski. Okay?
All good. Last day with the fam. Tomorrow they need to leave because they bringing the camper van back to Brisbane. So they have like 1,000 kilometers to drive in like 1.5 days or like 2 days till the flight is going. Crazy day again. We're gonna go to a restaurant, Nali Beach, and call it a day, right?
Righty, huh?
Alrighty. Family is ready to go. Everything packed up. We already parked the car to the other side. So we have the slab side. Because we're gonna stay here for I think 3 days more. Last time in the camper van.
Cheers.
You just feel different, so I don't feel stressed. Said I never open up to anyone again. Now I'm like a cherry blossom in the spring.